Are you gonna take us some pictures?
No, I'm not gonna take any pictures. Go get her another book.
Do you want this book to read me?
No, I'm working on my work.
We are working.
Read the book, Lauren. Read it, Lauren.
Wait, put it down.
Read it, Lauren.
God said, is that God? That is God. Turn the page. That, Mommy? I don't know how to turn the page. Kids don't turn the page. I don't know what. Emmy, God. Emmy, God. Emmy, God. I want you to go get her another book, Maya. Oh. Not that book. No. What it is. Not that book. No. Go get another book for her. Gotta get the book for her.